Hello. Hey, are we on? Okay, good. Hey, it's Richard Blackstone with today's Create One Love Note. And so, what we do is we read the love note, which I actually have these love notes every weekday morning for my subscriber list. And so you wake up, you get these love notes. It's a very powerful affirmation every day. And then we thought, well, let's do it in video form too. So that's what we're doing here. We're recycling the old love notes from about a year ago and putting them in video. Then we can expand on them a little. So it's kind of cool. Well, you'll see how it works. So I'm going to read the love note, and then we'll talk about it in a minute, see how it applies to your daily life. Okay, we live in a world of relationships, and that is one of the wonderful gifts about this game called life on planet Earth. It's often very easy to see other people's fears and limitations as we interact in these relationships. Now, the key to your own growth is to go beyond other people's fears and limitations. Always remember that the contrast we see in those relationships allows us to see what we like and what we don't like. It's always your own mind that creates your experiences. Be unlimited in your own ability to create the good in your life. You are the master creator of your life. Amen, brother. You know, this is something that, well, this is what I teach. I mean, because I teach because it's my experience, is that we're all here creating our lives as we go along, whether you know about it or not. And the reason I say that is because for the first 40 years of my life, I didn't know about it. I thought life was just happening to me, and I had to react to it. But then I had this awakening thing, and that's a whole different story. It's a fascinating story. But what happened was I came to realize that, wait a minute, I'm creating my life as I go along. So as long as I'm doing that, why don't I create it the way I really want it to be? And that's what I've been doing ever since, and that's why I teach it. That's why you're listening to these love note videos right now, because this is what I teach. I teach 3 core principles. Love is who we are, and it's such a cool concept. We're all one. We're all one in this big game called life on planet Earth, and even our quantum physicists are telling us this now. It's no big secret. And then the other one is that we're all here to create our lives in any manner that we choose. You get to choose. Nobody chooses for you. You don't put the blame on anybody else or the glory. You are the one that's creating your life, so create it as magnificent as you possibly can, and then revel in the wonder that life is. Because once you wake up to this idea that, oh my gosh, I'm creating it all, so I got to be responsible for my own life? Yeah. And then all of a sudden it becomes fun. Because you go, well, what do I want to experience next? Man, this is cool. And then you just go out and create it. And that's what we're here for, to help you understand and empower yourself, but also give you tools to cut the learning curve down. Because it took me like 20 years to figure this out, but we can cut that down just by understanding these simple rules. So that's it. That's our love note for today. And we always like to give something away that's really good. And let's see what we got. Oh, this is powerful. This is 20 free videos. Just go to masteryourlifevideos.com. Got 20 free videos there. They're all about self-improvement. They're all about understanding your true, authentic self. And I think there's a free ebook there too. It's all free. Just go to masteryourlifevideos.com and have some fun there. Go there often. You don't have to look at them all at one time. Okay, that's it for today. So as always, I want you to go out and, as always, live in love. Thank you very much.